Uh, okay. Hello everyone. Good morning. This is Ise again. Um, as we just finished a particular class, let us just ride on to the second one and be fine. Okay. So what do? We this is to this particular class. We are treating Fibonacci level, and Fibonacci works with some kind of frequency that tells you the 50 the halfway of the market and the end point of that particular either minor trend or the major trend. How to know where exactly the market is presently and where it's going to. Yes. Some people just use it to determine the retracement, but I use it to know where the market is going to, where it is presently, and the possible move I should expect from it as it reacts to each of the levels in the market. I am supposed not to be talking about this, but I just love myself because I spot things so very easy, and to God be the glory. I just spot another thing here. I spotted something, and I will not say the name. If you are my student, you should grab easily. But for the sake of the public, let me just this area is called a bearish peanuts, and we thank God it's when it breaks out, the retest happens. And since the retest did not happen immediately after the breaking out, it's happening after breaking this particular support area. So that's not what we are here to do. So let me just ride on now. Fibo, you have to go to this area and then pick this first one. That's if you don't have it on your that's if you don't have it on your tools toolbox. Let me use toolbox. Okay, now so I'm picking my Fibo here. I use Fibo in two ways. But I'm just going to say the first way because it is what people use most times, and it's been working for everyone as well. So in this place I'm going to show us how the Fibonacci reacted to the to the to the market. Now what you are supposed to do is you pick your higher high, you note it down, and you pick your lower low, you note that down too. You notice that these are the 2 points you are going to have your Fibonacci pegs touching. Now the reason why this place is 0 and the reason why this place is the 100 is that I just want to I presume that the market is coming actually from upside, from a down. I should call it a downtrend, but I would just say it's coming from higher area down to this place. But I want to determine the whole entire of this place, the retracement that's going to happen in this particular area. That's what I want to leverage. So I pick my high and my lower low. Now taking my Fibo 2, I assume to have my 100 here. I have told us the reason why I did that, and my 00 to come in. So what am I looking at to what are my tradable opportunity to pick? My tradable opportunity is much. I have like four, but there are some basic ones that we need to look at, which is going to which has sorry which has always been a great tool, and some people trade it and they are always happy with it. They are level 50.0 and level 61.8. Level 61.8 is called golden 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 level for a lot of traders. They actually like that area. They love to place trade there, and they are always fine. They are always what? They are always fine. So now, if you look at this area, this is level 23.6. When market got there, it reacted to it. When you notice it reacting to this level, what you do, you just take the advantage and leverage for about how many hours? For about this 1 hour or each one. For how many hours? You can leverage for about 4 to 5 hours in the market. And when you notice that it has found a new support here, a support level, and it's retracing back, just place your trade again and buy. You pick every opportunity you see in the market. And when it got to level 38.2, what happened here? You can see we are since this is our zero, so we are taking opportunity from here. So when it got to level 38.2, what happened? It reacted to it again, and it came back to the previous support, showing us that the price action in this area is actually is one of the basic thing you need to know, and be fine with it when you definitely know what you are doing. So, and when it got to the previous support level, it's what the market starts moving up again. So you take the advantage of this selling, and you take the advantage of this buying again. And you can see the glorious thing about it. When it got to level 50.0, market reacted to it, and it sold to this previous support level, because as market moves up, the region becomes something else. Down here, you can call this place a resistance level, but up here you will call this particular area a support level. Now, so when it got to this support level, it reversed back to that particular area again. So if I want to spot something here, I'll take this as my shoulder, and this is as my other shoulder. So head and shoulder. Then what happened again? Market will come down. That's automatic minor downtrend. And when it gets to the previous support level, what happens? Market reacted to that and then move up. So that's the way you pick your trade on using Fibo. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful trading.